Testing. Alright, there we go. We got some volume. Alright, so we about to go fine tune this playbook. Boom. Get that up out of there. Alright, let's download the well, first off, welcome to the channel. We're gonna be back testing today, last week's session. Price action from last week. As far as like addressing this TikTok ban, TikTok is banned, but also like every company that ByteDance had here, which is CapCut, and I use CapCut to edit my videos. So it's gonna be a lot more raw videos and live videos. I'm not gonna be really doing too many edits because I was previously using Microsoft's Clipchamp to edit videos. Then I migrated over to CapCut, and the quality of the videos, the tools and stuff was just that much better. So I don't see myself moving backwards to Clipchamp. So I'm gonna just keep on making like raw, straight uploads from the phone and basically live videos. They may give like ByteDance an extension on their ban, but until we figure out what's going on, we're just gonna straight upload raw videos, no edits, and lives. We got the live stream today for the back testing. Probably be another back testing live stream tomorrow. Maybe not. I do work tomorrow, but we're not going to do any live trading when the market closes early. We also have the presidential inauguration, and I believe it's Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. So with all that going on, we're going to stay out of the market tomorrow. Only thing we may trade is crypto. So yeah, that's what that is. We're going to download this data for the ZB contract March 2025. We're going to start. Today's the 19th. We're going to go to the 13th and download that. In fact, I got to download the 12th so I can get that session open. The session opened on the 12th at 6 p.m. We want to download all this data. I usually go into the market every day with the goal of placing 3 max trades. During this backtesting session, I'm going to place, since I'm downloading data for, let me see, for the whole week, I'm going to do like 9 trades. I'm going to continue. Yeah, we're going to do 9 trades. All right, we got it. Start us at 100K. Once this loads, pardon me. I was not cold yesterday. It's taking a little minute to load, I see. What's going on? Replay, reconnect, continue. We're connected. Don't do this to me. I'm about to say, don't do this to me on the live stream, bro. Alright. That's how you know the dad's loading when that thing just disappeared. It's still loading. Let's start off looking at the daily. My notebook got, man. I'm gonna post this like a normal day in the market. I'm gonna look at the news. Oh, sorry, man. I'm gonna mute because I ain't gonna keep So first, I'm gonna just play this, make sure all the data is downloading, and I'm gonna fast forward it to around. Oh, yeah, got a lot going on. So definitely yawning, but we're gonna fast forward to it's around 7:30, around the time that we would be getting in the market. Um, but I'm gonna look at the news. My new routine, which was I previously used to look at the news during the day. I look at the news the previous night to know if I'm gonna get up at 7:30, because instead of me sitting and waiting from 7:30 till 9 to get into the market or something like that. But I'll look at the news, and if I see some heavy news coming in at 8:30, I'm not gonna even get into a trade till after that. So I won't get up at 7:30, just sit and wait around. I'll probably get up around 8 and get set up, and then wait between that time. So I'm not getting to the market every day at 7:30 anymore. I might change that routine. So we're gonna look at the news for the 13th through. We're gonna look at the news through the 13th through the 17th week. Last week it was a lot going on last week too. 13th through the 17th. Apply settings. So Monday was the only day that nothing was really going on. Then Tuesday we had PPI. Wednesday we had CPI, core CPI. And Thursday we had retail sales, unemployment claims. And Friday, I didn't even trade Friday. I don't think. No, I had stuff to do, but I didn't trade Friday. Friday wasn't much going on. But so Monday, that's what we're looking for. So we're gonna get up. We're gonna fast forward to 7:30. Nothing going on Monday. Now I'm looking for the trends. Start on this daily chart. Let's fast forward. Let's say we're gonna fast forward to 7, and then we're gonna like treat it like it's a regular day. All right, we go right here. Talk about TikTok says it's in the process. I'll be doing this during the daytime. I'm looking at news and different other news that's not related, but TikTok says it's in the process of restoring service after going dark in U.S., citing Trump clarity. It took effect at midnight. On a post on X Sunday afternoon, TikTok said, in agreement with our service providers, TikTok is in the process of restoring service. We thank President Trump for providing the necessary clarity and assurance to our service providers that they will face no penalties, providing TikTok to over 170 million Americans. Sheesh. Bro, you said Trump asked tech companies to not let TikTok stay dark and reiterated his plan to issue a reprieve once he takes office. I will issue an executive order on Monday to extend the period of time before the law prohibitions take effect so that we can make a deal to protect our national security. The order will also confirm that there will be no liability for any company that helps keep TikTok from going dark before my order. Mm. Yeah, I need my videos. I got videos on CapCut I can't even access right now. That's not cool, bro. 18. About to get into mode. Let me see. Alright, we straight. Alright, so what's the daily trend we got right here in front of us? Obviously, it's a downtrend. Let me move this down here. We got ourselves a downtrend. That was dark, wasn't it? Alright. It's a clear downtrend on this daily. I like this trend line here. Yeah, we're at a level here where we're probably about to be consolidating in between here for a little while. Maybe break lower. But it looks like this is where price shot up last. So we might be on our way back up. But what I noticed, I'm not sure if this is 100% true or not, but when the interest rates are being raised, this is when the price drops. And when interest rates drop, price goes up. I'm just gonna go back to 2023. Interest rates, they probably started cutting them. Is it 2023? Don't quote me on that, but that's just like a pattern I recognize. Like when interest rates are going down, this is when interest rates are going up, that's when price goes down. And when they're going up, that's when price goes. When they're going up, price goes down. When they're going down, price goes up. I'm gonna say it like that. But yeah, so it's a downtrend. Looks like we're probably consolidating. So my high for the day, I would think, would be 111.29. Between that and maybe breaking lower between 110.23. For a 4 hour, we got a downtrend again. Yeah, we got a little downtrend. Looks like we could have made support at 111.00. We could be making a turn, but ultimately, then I wouldn't be able to say this downtrend is invalid unless it closes all the way above this one. Yeah, we down. We moving down. For 60 minute, look like we're in a downtrend, but I'm gonna just go for the last since the session opened, we've been consolidating. Looks like we got like a little range. We just broke out of and closed above. I don't think I traded this. I don't think I traded on Monday. Let's go to the 5 minute. Let me look back and see if I traded this Monday, the 13th. Before was the 10th. Ooh, buddy. I did trade the 13th. Yep, I got the same thing. Down, down, sideways. Let's see what the 5 minute was. days did I trade last week? I traded Monday. I traded. I traded Monday. I traded Wednesday. So I didn't trade Tuesday. Traded Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So after our trade, let's see if we can find some zones that could look like supply or demand. I'm going to the 4. I'm not messing with the daily right now. Looks like we could be leaving the zone for real, for real. Mm-hmm. We're gonna paste that right there. Look like we left a zone. Oh, it's going. Time is going fast, bro. It's 7:55. God dang. I'm wondering why price going crazy like that. Moving it. Time is going too fast. All right, so I ain't gonna say we behind, and I'm not gonna rush. But like I was stopped it at 7:30, and pardon me, I stopped it at 7:30, and then started like working charts, looking at the news and stuff like that. But it's 7:55, so the only reason this will hurt me or help me is because I'm gonna pause it. The only reason this would hurt me or help me is because around like the close, I enter like around the close of the hourly candle, so it would be like right after it closes or right before it closes, and that's when my bricks or my levels are the strongest, or they show the strongest, the highest probability of working out. I'm going to keep this pause for a minute. I'm gonna go over through like the rest of my stuff I got going on as far as finding where price is coming from and where it may be going to. Um, let's see if I can find any level on a 1 hour. It's like it's going probably, yeah, I got levels already marked. This price kind of been trading in this zone for the last, let's say, week, 2 weeks. So we kind of got like levels marked here. I got my levels marked all the way up because I've been trading it all the way back for some time. But I usually delete my levels on my smaller time frames. On my 5 minute time frame, I delete the levels and I copy and paste them. But these levels, I don't know how long I had these here for. But the price ain't never been down here since I started trading these bonds. Let's go back to our 4 hour. See, we got this 110.26. Let's start from the bottom. I got I really want to say 110.30 for real, for real. And then I'll say what this is for. 110, 110, 11, 111, 110, 111, 10. I said 111, 110. Oh my gosh. Then we got 111, 25 or 26. 111, 26. Then we got guess it bounced here. Close under. Went above. Bounced here. I'll keep it. 112.00. Alright, let's go to our 60. Which one did I make new? 111. Let's see, 111. And I just copy and paste them. I mean, why is it that low? Why is it down there? 110, 130. Oh, that's at 110.30. That's what I changed it to. I'm like, why the heck? It don't even make sense being down there. And this is when we make a strong level when it matches up on the same level here. That's what we call our bricks. So I'm gonna make it chartreuse. Because it looks like we about to be trending upwards a little bit for the time being. We got 60-minute level here. Yeah. Make that white. I got 111.10 level 2. Like some of my levels, like these are some levels from last week, but they might change. They might make the cut. They might get cut. And I think like some of these might have became levels later on in the week. So I might be remaking some of these levels. But 60. So we got 111.10. Let's do about one more, and I'll say 111.19. Mm, 111.19 or 111.20 or 111.14. I'm gonna do 14. 111.14. Don't know what that level from. But now we move to our 5-minute. When did the price open? Let's move this. That could be from something else. And pretty much remove all these levels that look to be from last week. I'll keep the bricks there, and the orange and yellow orange and white lines, but everything else gotta really go. Alright. So for 5 minutes, we got 110.30 again. What the heck? Why ain't nothing here? I ain't bring it in? I didn't. On 10:30. I like that 111.03 too. I like 111.08. For the 5 minute level, there'd be way more. I don't be wanting to like have a whole bunch of lines just on my chart. 111.05 looks like one too. And that's the last one I'm gonna do. And we wanna mark our open. Wait, what's our my key levels? The open, high, low, OVN, high, and the low, and our New York open, and here we go. Looks like this is where we started. Oh, 111.11. Now I'm about to draw a region from the high of this Asia session to the low, which came down to about 2 o'clock. I'm gonna get rid of this outline so there ain't no confusion. So the high is 111.13. And the low is 111.30. I mean 110.30. 110.30 is real strong. We don't got the high for the overnight session, but we do got the low, which is 110.30. I don't see it getting back down there anytime soon, so I'm gonna confidently mark that level. As far as my bricks, I got 110.30, which price probably won't come back down. I got 111. I got 111.10. I got 111.03. And I got a couple more above that I ain't really write down, but I'm just gonna write down the ones I found today. Other confluences. Asia low, overnight low. Plus the 4 hour, plus the 60 minute, plus the 5 minute level. It's all the same. It's that 10:30, 110.30. Then we got a 60 minute, number 5. Got 111.03. Like, or other time frames were downtrending, and this one is uptrended. Looks like it could be leaving demand, like rolling over towards making, coming up here for real. Could be coming back up here. We got bricks in a way, so we'll watch that. And we got like a lot of not like a lot, but we got the hourly resistance. We got a. Looks like it could be a brick for 111.14. What is that? I don't have it on here. Let's see what that level is about. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get rid of it because it might be later in the week. I don't know why it's there. Oh, I do got 111.14 on my paper for a 60-minute level. That's why you take notes, man. 111.14. Oh yeah, I had it for both. That's a brick. Oh man, we got a brick right now. It's green, bro. That's what we do. We close under here. You might be trying short, especially with it. Man, I don't really want short going to the uptrend. Or higher time frames is talking about down. So let's see. Now we got enough data to push play again. In fact, before we push play, I'm gonna have to boop boop bring this back. I'm about to I'll be right back. Right back. Alright, I'm back. Make sure cam is straight. Now what's going on with the lighting situation? Alright, there we go. There's some light here. Alright, back. Yeah, I'm gonna copy and paste these levels down to my volume chart. Just so to see like how stuff really is lining up. Like I want the more confluences I get, the better. The more things that line up for me, the better. The easier it is to make a decision. So I'm gonna push play, like I said, push play now. Let's play back using a little base ATM strategy. I need to make a new one, but I just placed a trade with the ATM strategy, so I got an automatic stop loss and stuff like that. And then I'll change it. Like I'll drag my stop loss and stuff, my target where I want it to be. Like I said, there's no news today, so there's nothing really for us to wait for other than a sign at this level. With it being an uptrend, I might use this level as a pullback to get in on a long. I was profitable Monday, but I really don't remember what I did Monday. I ain't gonna look until after I place this trade. After I place this trade, I'm not gonna look because I want to see if I'm like my thought process and my mechanicals is all like just automatic, and it's based off of not what I'm thinking of the day or like how I'm feeling, but what I'm thinking, um, and how I'm reacting to my levels that's in front of me as far as going with the trend and just like I said, just using my levels the way they're supposed to be used. Like I want it's currently 5 minute level. The 5 minute time frame is currently in an uptrend, and I want price to close above that green line you see for me to get into a buy order. I want price to close above here for me to get into a buy within these next 3 minutes. Well, for this next candle close, it needs to be over this level. If it's not over this level, I'm expecting a pullback. I could get in at probably around 110. But honestly, if it doesn't close above here, I'm going short. But then like this candle will be like valid for closing over this between 8 and 9. So I'll need it coming into the 9 o'clock to close above this one right here. So it could come back down here and touch this trend line and pull back up. And in fact, if it closes below, we're not gonna get into no sale. I'm gonna just wait to see what happens around this level here, 111.08 or '09. Kind of want to get in '09. I'm gonna look and see. Let's watch. I'm gonna fast forward a little bit. 10 seconds. All right, so we close below. So ultimately, we're respecting this level. The higher time frames or downtrends. So I'm gonna go. I had a comment based off he told me to like wait till they match up. The time frame matches up, and it looked like it's going down. Like it respected this break, hit 15, and came back down. Now I want to see what it does to this level here. If we're just getting a pullback. Again, it doesn't have to close over this one for the next hour, so it can go under it. Ultimately, I'm going to get my spot in at '09.
Order submitted.
I like '09. Would it be in around this 5 minute level and this trend? And I want price to, would it be in an uptrend? I got price closing above this line. I'm not too sure about this one, but within the next 40, 50 minutes, we can get back above here. I got it moving on 15 seconds or 10 seconds, so I might not even get filled in. It came back to the 9. Now that we about to get higher highs right off the bat. So let's see. I think for the hour, it closed. It pushed its way up above this line and closed above it. So that's what made this one strong. But it didn't get above this one. So but now we sitting at 110. I got 108 my stop loss. If I get back in, now we looking like we about to go push a higher high. I'm not gonna fight to get in this trade or chase it. With me speeding up the time, it might have made me miss the entry. We'll see. Maybe we consolidate for the next 30 minutes. Look like we about to get that higher high. Like trying. Mm.
Order filled.
All right, so we in. So 05, we got okay. We hit that. Just got news that CapCut is online, so we'll see about that in a minute. Like I said, I want price to close above here. This would be my next level. With not being too much news, I don't see it getting that push that we need to get there, but we'll see. It close under here, we'll probably get stopped out. But closing under here for the hour is gonna be bad for our bias. This is our first trade, and it did close under here, so we're gonna get lower. We're gonna get stopped out. Most likely traveling down to this back to this 1030. We still got a higher low. Okay. We closed under here on its hourly, so I'm not like thinking we're gonna get too much higher. Oh, what the heck? And we got a lower high. That's 5 minutes.
Stop filled.
Yeah, stopped out. I didn't mark the New York Open, but like we got lower highs, lower lows, and price basically respected that. It was just like this was the support. And once we got under here, it like wanted to push higher, but it got lower. I want to see if it comes back to that 1030 line. All right, what did I do on the 13th? I know it was profitable. All right, 1030.08 and 111.13. That 1030 level. Trade, I got in at 111.10 for to 111.14. I got in at 8:12, so I got in earlier, way earlier than what time is right now. So I got in at 8:12 to 111.10 to for 4 ticks to 111.14. My stop was at 111.08. I got filled at 8:26 for my 4 ticks, and then my notes. It was like for a short. I wanted to wait until 9 a.m. to see how price reacted to the 11.14 for shorts, and then close under there. And then for longs, I was looking to see if it appeared to have like left demand on a 60-minute around that 111.06. So I ended up getting into trade 2, and I got in at 8:48 um, at 111.08. My target was 111.20, and my stop was 111.02. I ended up getting filled at 111.13. So I had 2 trades that day for a net of 281.25, a gross 275.13. So I did 2 longs. With it being an uptrend, I don't know how I pulled off them 2 longs. I guess I got in them 2 longs before the downtrend started to match the other time frames. But like once we turned around. I guess I got in at the 08 around 9, and I took it to say 14. No, I took it to 13. So I took it to 13, and it turned around at 13 and started going lower and lower and lower. So like once this made this lower high, this would have been a nice signal to short, because now we're matching our lower time frames. Oh, we got below that 30. Yeah, we got below this 30. What time is it? 11:20. Yeah, we wouldn't even be in the market around this time. But this is when I would be looking for a long. I want to see if it can come back up to the 111.10. 10. Made it back below this line though. Alright, man. I would do a couple more trades, but it kind of just like showed me what I needed to see. Like I got these little quick short trades that I got in, a 4 tick and a 5 tick trade that I reaped benefits from on a Monday, going long when it would appear to be an uptrend. I got in out early, and then around like 9 a.m. it started to turn around and to match the trends of the higher time frames for me, which were downtrends. This was kind of like consolidating, but it's really still a downtrend. This is a downtrend. Daily also a downtrend. So around 9 a.m. it was like in a pre-market. Well, not pre-market, was like in Asia, and it's like basically the pre-US market. Down, consolidating, and then it took a little ride up, like it came out of a zone, went up, and then eventually came back down into trade under it. So yeah, that was like a pretty good, I guess, back testing session. Um, Even though our trade wasn't what we wanted it, like it wasn't a profitable trade, it was still like as far as knowledge, it was a good session. So I'm gonna take that, roll with it. Get ready for trading on Tuesdays. I'm not trading tomorrow with all that's going on, inauguration, etc., etc. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Um, like, comment, subscribe if you if you mess with your boy, man. Three's out.